Hi, this is HolyShit788. Yeah, I puked. Corn. And a huge gravy mix. Micro Mac. You grab that. And green giant whole kernel corn. And you mix them together really good so you can't see any of the any powder on the top, and you make fruit like puke. But what I would recommend is if you boil noodles and make them soft and cut them up really small and put them in for extra effects.
And do not cook the corn.
Do not cook your corn, like he said. So yeah.
It tastes pretty good.